Hey guys, it's DJ Yellow's 101, and today I have a haul from Box Lunch and Box Lunch. And no, I am not sponsored by them, but I wanted to do a little shopping haul. It's a short haul, and I want to show you my sticker collection. And no, this is not to brag about anything about having a collection, but like I just want to show you on like some stationery things I have. So let's get on with the haul. So the first thing that I picked up was this adorable food little thing, and it's just super cute because it's like little fast foods. Sorry if you can't see it. But it's like, sorry if it's out of frame, but like, sorry, so here it is. It's super cute. It's a little fast food, so let's take it out. It's super cute. Here's the little designs it has. It's pretty cute. Like, super cute. We got like a little hamburger, a little Starbucks coffee, some condiments, french fries, sandwiches, hot dogs, ice cream, pizza, popcorn, and so yeah, I wanted to get this because there was a really cute thing that I saw, and it was like a video that I saw on YouTube, and they had like something similar to this. Okay, so this was like about $4, but it was like a deal, so I got everything for like $9. It's still quite expensive, but I still think it was quite worth it. Super cute. Packaging is super adorable. I absolutely love this. And they have like a big one, which was this, I forgot to mention, this one. Super cute. Here it is open. They are quite small. They are like, as you can see from this little sticker, they are about the size of like just about my thumb, like half of my thumb. Excuse me for my ugly hands. The next one is this adorable dog, and here it is. Here's a little close up. Super cute. I just thought of Vivi from Sion's dog, Vivi, and I thought this was perfect if I ever like tried doing K-pop journaling. And yeah, so the little designs in here, they have this cute dog, and they're just so adorable. As you can see, super cute. It's holographic. Also the same price. Here it is out of the package. Super cute. Here's a close-up. Yeah, what's really weird is that like the holographic ones are like scented, so the food has like a more scented, but like it's also weirdly does. Here it is. And the last one is not from that little Flake sticker pack. So here it is. It's in Alice Wonderland, and it's imported from Korea, which I started freaking out, and it was the only one that I could find. Super cute. These cute designs. Pre-dice cut, I think that's what you guys call it. I'm sorry with the names. And I think it's just one pack. Let me check. This was $4.90. But again, I got everything for like $10. So it is only one pack, sadly. But super cute, so no regrets. Though I can buy it at like AliExpress and such, etc, etc. But yeah, let's struggle. Here it is, super cute. Adorable designs. I absolutely love it.
I think you're gonna have to be.
Alright, this concludes my tutorial. And again, this was from Box Lunch. So, Box Lunch, if you can terribly see that. Box Lunch with this and these two. And also for my sticker pack, here it is. I also collected other stickers, but I did not make a video whatsoever. So let me get close up. So here it is, and here's the collection. I have a bunch of these smaller Flake stickers. Super tiny. They're just so tiny and it's just so holographic, and I just love it. Also, excuse my voice because it's my voice is just really sore. And I'll be adding that to my collection along with these stickers and these stickers. And I don't know what to do with this one, but I don't know if I am gonna use this because this is so pretty to be even used. Like, you know, see, this is great. So beautiful. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I get to see you guys in my next video. Alright, there it concludes my horrible first video. Goodbye.
Bae Bae.